स्टूडेंट्स सबसे ज्यादा जज कब फील करते हैं?
First, what we have to feel is that everybody is equal. Whenever anybody judges you, nothing really changes in your life. That's their perspective. So believe in your perspective. Everybody has a different perspective regarding each person. Somewhere this judgment comes from a small jealousy inside us.
Introduce yourself bit and then we will move on with the podcast questions.
Okay, hi everyone. This side Aviral. My running age is 11 and I am from Golden Eagles.
That's great. So shall we commence?
Yes.
So in this podcast, I'm going to raise some questions to you and you have to answer what do you believe. Okay. So very first question, when do students feel judged the most? Students सबसे ज़्यादा judged कब feel करते हैं?
Somewhere we all have faced a fear of judgment inside us. Either it's about school or our home. Majorly it comes when we are scolded by our parents or our teachers. We have a fear of judgment by our friends, that what will they think? What will us think about our environment? We think that our environment is changing, we are growing, so we have enough mindset and we should not get scolded. So whenever we get learning from others, we every time feel like we are being judged, we are being negotiated.
That's true. And there is one more question comes by this, that how can we finish this judgment from us? If you feel that we are always being negotiated, we are always being pointed out, how can we finish this fear of judgment from us?
Okay. First, what we have to feel is that everybody is equal. Whenever anybody judges you, nothing really changes in your life. That's their perspective. So believe in your perspective. Everybody has a different perspective regarding each person. Their mindset matters, their perspective matters. Similarly, if you want to complete this fear, then what you have to do is that believe in only your mindset.
That's great. So as this is true that one should feel equal, then only they can finish up this fear from themselves. But as per society, why is the judgment, this thought of judgment comes? From where is the core point
Of judging people.
of judging people in human beings?
Okay. Somewhere this judgment comes from a small jealousy inside us. Somewhere we feel jealous of people, their hard work, their core principles. And somewhere we take vows of disturbing them and distracting them. And in order to do that, these judgments have started. Everybody is judging each other, rating each other to decide their value in society. Everybody is deciding each other's value in society, and this way we are changing the system. And that is where I think that the core principles of judgment have started.
Do you feel sometimes being judged?
Somewhere I do not feel being judged, because when people even see me, I feel like their perspective is different and I have my own view. So I'll walk upon my view, not upon others' view. So when I'll be upon my view, I'll focus on that, then only I'll grow. So for a learning mindset, we do not have to see others' mindset, because they have a feeling of jealousy somewhere. Whenever we believe that we are being judged or somewhere is having a look over us, always believe in yourself at that time. Because believing in yourself gets a spark inside you, gets a motivation inside you. And when you contain that, you do not care about the society. You care about yourself. So always have a confident spark inside you. That spark will make the judgment out and your confidence will remain all time. So this way you can overcome the judgments.
That's so amazing. Wonderful answers were given by him. And I'm genuinely so much impressed the way you were so straightforward with your statements, and it was not, his confusion was not there on his face. आपने देखा, no confusion was there, complete clarity, accurate statements, not so stretchy, not so short. It was balance.